Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the schedule method of primary data collection. In the previous classes we have already discussed the observation method of data collection, then experimentation method of data collection, then we have also discussed about the questionnaire method of data collection. But instead of using questionnaires we can also use schedules, and schedules are extremely effective as compared to questionnaires. And how the schedule method of primary data collection is important in the phase of data collection of any research project, that we will discuss today. But before we proceed, let us first understand what is meant by a schedule. A schedule is a performa which contains a set of questions that are filled by the interviewer by asking two respondents in a face-to-face interview. So that is what is the definition of a schedule, and through this, in an objective manner, the data can be recorded, gathered from observations. And schedules are of different types, and on the basis of different types of schedules there will be different types of data collection under this schedule method. The type 1 is observation schedule. The observation schedule, as the name suggests, these are the schedules used for collecting data through observation method. Under specific and given conditions, the observer records information in observation schedule on activities and response of either individuals or group of individuals. Generally, the observation schedules are used to verify information. That is how the observation schedules are generally used in marketing research. Then the second type of schedules are rating schedules. When information on attitudes, beliefs, preferences, opinions and elements of similar type are captured in marketing research, ratings are mandatory. And these are called rating schedules when values and trends of such elements are recorded in terms of ratings. Then the third type of schedule is document schedule. If data from documents like you can take diaries, then case histories and autobiographies or government final records, they are getting recorded in a schedule, then it is called document schedule. Generally these type of schedules are used for collecting preliminary data in marketing research. Then the fourth type of schedules under this schedule method of data collection are institution survey schedule. In order to study the different problems of the institutions when information are captured and recorded in a schedule, it is called institution survey schedule. And institution survey schedules, one example I can take, that in my university the faculty members are assigned with duties to visit the hostel, to visit the canteen, to visit the different areas of the campus, and to find, and they have been given a particular format for recording all the information regarding the problems, the issues in those areas. And that is for knowing the problems the institution is facing. And this kind of schedule is called institution survey schedule. And the fifth type of interviewee is presented by the interviewer with a list of questions, and the answers to those questions are recorded on blank spaces of the schedule. It is called interview schedule. One example you can take, though it is not an example of marketing research, but it is one of the most important example to make you understand about the interview schedule. Like every 10 years the Census of India, which is a government of India agency that conducts a population survey in our country, and they generally appoint primary school teachers as they are investigators, and probably in 2011 when this census of India was conducting population survey, at that time the investigators might have visited your household also, and you might have seen that they have usually use the interview schedule, and that interview schedule will be having a list of questions. Generally in the previous census of India in 2011 there were more than 100 questions, and these questions are to be answered by the respondents, and generally in case of census of India these are the chief wage earner of the household they take, and they record in the blank spaces of the schedule all this information, and this is what is about the interview schedule. So friends, today we have discussed about the definition and meaning of a schedule, and what the introduction to the schedule method, and what are the types of schedules used in the schedule method of primary data collection in marketing research. So that is what is it for today, friends. Thank you very much.